52%, 52.54%. And Chris Obure on Jubilee, 40,417, basically what, 26.4% of the votes.
Sorry, this is what percentage of the votes?
What percentage are you looking at, people? 41.
Not even halfway, yeah?
41.
Yeah,
but more than halfway with that sort of lead. I think Mr. Obure...
Half. It's almost half, actually.
Yes.
That's
right. Mr. Obure is going home.
Mr. Obure on this round, I think, retirement, political retirement beckons. Because, I mean, he's, with the length of service that he has given this nation, you would not expect for 2022 for him to be a contender. By that time, we'll be looking at a new breed coming forth. And I must give it to Jubilee, though, because that putting candidates, even in areas where they did not perceive to be strongholds, just making a showing, just turning up. It has shown us that Kenyans are open-minded to these,
different ideas,
Yeah, because even look at Makueni, you find that, was it? No, it's Kitui, where you find Gilu is leading, but the NASA presidential candidate, people are not doing that six-piece thing anymore, the wave thing. And no, people are interrogating leaders individually.
But wasn't Kisii interesting in the sense that there was a number of those MPs who went to Jubilee and then realized they were not going to continue to go back. Onyonka, and then they went, rushed back to NASA and its affiliate parties. I mean, this was an interesting one. They went out there, they got burned, realized they might not be able to. Well, time will tell, because we'll take a look at the numbers for those, particularly, Onyonka.
But the Kisii for a long time had sort of isolated themselves with Ford people. The days when Nyachai was a strong man and Ford people was the party. So this is the first time really they are trying to be team players with others. For a long time, they were the Mavericks. They kept doing what Munya has been doing with PNU in Meru. They just kept doing their own thing with Ford people. So you would understand why they would not know exactly where to land. But now that the chips have fallen where they are, moving forward, maybe we'll see them coalescing more seriously around one of the outfits.
Okay, so we're trying to get the numbers for you as fast as we can from the different counties in the country. We have 5 minutes to go to 6 a.m. in the morning. We've been here since, 8 p.m. yesterday, and we've done a good job. Alex, are you okay? You look like you're tired. Are you fine?
I'm fine.
You're good. We can do this for the next 3 hours.